Good morning. Today's topic water quality parameters. In water quality parameters, we discuss about qualities of waters. तो वाटर की जो क्वालिटी है वाटर सप्लाई स्कीम में बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है। जब हम वाटर सप्लाई स्कीम डिज़ाइन करते हैं तो इस वाटर सप्लाई स्कीम में हमें एक सिटी को वाटर सप्लाई करनी होती है। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव source of water which is first of all filtration is done. For this filtration we require water quality parameters. After that supply of water is done. So why study water quality parameters? You all understand. After that, you know water is second most important need for life to exist after air. So we have to study about water qualities. Water qualities, if we talk about water quality types, we have three types of water quality. Water quality parameters. First one, physical. Physical water quality parameters are those which can feel, touch, sense, seen. So in physical water quality parameters, if we see some example, first example is suspended solid. Suspended solid. Second one, turbidity. Third one, color. Fourth one, taste and odor. Fifth one, temperature. Physical water quality parameters, if we talking about suspended solid, then if we talk about causes of suspended solid, then it causes from silt, clay, plants. These are responsible for suspended solids. Suspended solids affects water carrying capacity of pipes and it is responsible for incrustation in pipes. Aesthetically, if solids is present in water, then it cannot be consumed. Suspended solid is measured by the gravimetric technique. Permissible limit of suspended solid 500 to 2000 milligram per liter. So suspended solid are the physical water quality parameters. We have seen causes of suspended solid. We know permissible limits. And measurement by gravimetric technique. Why suspended solids are determined? Because in water supply scheme we have to limit from 500 to 2000 milligram per liter. After that, if we talking about second water quality parameter, that is turbidity. Turbidity is from dispersed water particles which affect reflection of light. Turbidity is measured by turbidity rod, Jackson turbidity meter, Jackson turbidity meter, Bailey's turbidity meter, and nephelometric turbidity meter. So turbidity is measured by these instruments. Now, turbidity again impacts psychologically on water, so we have to limit it. Limit of turbidity is 5 NTU. NTU refers to nephelometric turbidity unit. So turbidity is the physical water quality parameters. We have seen causes of turbidity by the dispersed particle, how to measure it, how to limit it. So next physical water quality parameter is color. Color is caused by the solid particles, chemical particles. Color impacts psychologically on the people. If color is present in water, then psychologically people cannot drink it. So we have to limit it. Color is measured by color matching technique. Color matching technique. Color matching technique. Color matching technique by total color unit. Total color unit. Limit of color 5 to 25 milligram per liter. So we have seen again the physical water quality parameters, which is color. We have seen how to measure it. We have seen causes of color. We have seen limit of color. After that, again, next physical water quality parameters is taste and odor. Taste and odor again responsible from the solids present in water. It is measured by osmoscope apparatus which give unit in ton, threshold odor number. If we are talking about permissible limit of taste and odor, it is 3 NTU. So we have seen again causes of taste and odor. We talk about measurement of taste and odor, and we have discussed about permissible limit of taste and odor. Last physical water quality parameters is temperature. Temperature is responsible for biological activity in water. We have to measure temperature from thermometer, and we talk about permissible limit, which is 10 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius. So these are the physical water quality parameters. So we have to limit them for the various reasons we have discussed. Now these water quality parameters also studied in physical water quality parameters. First is turbidity, second is temperature. We have discussed all in detail. Color, taste and odor, solids, and last one. Now we're talking about chemical water quality parameters. Again, second type of water quality parameters is chemical water quality parameters. Chemical water quality parameters if we're talking about chemical water quality parameters, first one is pH. Chemical water quality parameters are those parameters which are responsible from chemical compounds. First one is the pH. If we're talking about what is pH, pH is negative logarithm of hydrogen plus ions. Is pH tells about acidity and basicity in water. pH is measured by potentiometer. Permissible limit of pH is 6.5 to 8. So first chemical water quality parameters is pH. If we talk again, next chemical water quality parameters, which is TDS. These are the solids. In physical water quality parameters, we have also discussed suspended water quality parameters, but these are the dissolved solids which comes under chemical water quality parameters. TDS is measured from the electrical conductivity method. Full form of TDS is total dissolved solid, because these are dissolved in nature, so these are coming chemical water quality parameters. Permissible limit of TDS is 500 to 2000 milligram per liter. So again we have discussed second water quality parameters, which is TDS. Again we discuss next chemical water quality parameters, which is alkalinity. If we are talking about alkalinity, so alkalinity is that which ions who neutralize hydrogen plus ion is responsible for alkalinity. For example, carbonate ions, bicarbonate ions, carbonate ions, OH minus ions. These are responsible for the alkalinity. If we are talking about how to measure alkalinity, by the help of titration, we have to measure alkalinity. Strong acid is used as a titrant, so alkalinity is determined from titration. After that, next chemical water quality parameter is hardness. Hardness is caused by the carbonate, bicarbonate ions. Basically, hardness having two types: temporary hardness and permanent hardness. Again, hardness is measured from the titration. If we are talking about permissible limit of hardness, which is equals to 100 to 200 milligram per liter. So we have again discussed about next chemical water quality parameters, which is hardness. Next one. Next chemical water quality parameters is fluoride. Fluoride is responsible for fluorosis disease, and it is responsible for the bone and teeth problems. So we have to limit it. Its permissible limit is 0.5 to 1.5 milligram per liter. It is measured from the titration. Again, Next chemical water quality parameters is chloride. Permissible limit of chloride 200 to 1000 milligram per liter. So again we talk about minor chemical water quality parameters. Again, next water quality parameter is nitrogen. Nitrogen occurs in free ammonia form, nitrate form, nitrite form. So these are the chemical water quality parameters. Next chemical water quality parameters is metals, which may be toxic or non-toxic. Toxic or non-toxic. Next chemical water quality parameters is copper, phosphorus, last chemical water quality parameters is dissolved gases. So these water quality parameters is responsible various kidney, heart diseases. So we have to remove or limit these water quality parameters. Again, we talking about, if we talk about in slides, so pH is the chemical water quality parameters, acidity, alkalinity, chloride, nitrogen, chloride. So last water quality parameters is biological water quality parameters. Biological water quality parameters is in form of pathogens. These water quality parameters are in the form of bacteria, virus, protozoa. These biological water quality parameters is responsible for the disease, so we have to remove them. So all the water quality parameters here studied to remove or added, because water quality parameters in permissible limit, water quality parameters should be in permissible limit for consumption purpose. So water, we are getting water from the ground sources and surface sources. They have some impurities, so we have to first of all check all water qualities. After that we have to limit all the water quality parameters. These water quality parameters is very helpful in public supply schemes. So again, at the last, this is the source of water. From we collect water, source of water, which may be ground sources and surface sources. These source of water, first of all check for quality, and permissible limit is checked, and then supply is done. So water quality parameters is very important for the public water supply scheme. So in next class we discuss further aspects. This class is explain all water quality parameters which may be physical, chemical and biology. Thank you very much.